he is. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Something fighting me. Oh, what have I got? Hello there. Welcome to Fishing for Real. My name's Ken. Today I'm out on the Blackwater River here in Milton, Florida. I caught some really nice bull bluegill here a couple days ago. I'm going to try it again. I got some red wigglers this time. And I got a casting lure and stuff. Maybe I can catch a speckled trout or something out here while I'm waiting for a bull bluegill to take my bait. Thank you for joining me. Now let's go fishing. Alright, I'll start out with my little ultralight rig here. Got a number 4 Aberdeen gold plated hook here. Don't have any shrimp, so I'm going to put me a red wiggler on here. Good old red worm. There he is. Got a lot of current here. I don't know if that one sinker is going to do me today. Got a lot of current. Put it right there. Oh, there he is. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Something fighting me. Oh, what have I got? Hot dadgum catfish. Ugh. Oh, boy. I don't know. This is probably, yeah. This is a freshwater catfish here. Okay. I think I finally hooked up with something. I think. Let's see. It ain't big, whatever it is. Oh boy. What do I have here? Little croaker. Something's on my little worm line here too. Oh boy. Oh my goodness gracious. little bluegill. Mama gill. Mama gill right here. Oops, look at that. Oh my goodness, fell right out. It might be a male. Oh Lord, hold now. Oh now. Yeah, I think that's a male, just out of breeding colors. What do you guys think? Let me see if I can get him right here. Little bitty, little mouth bluegill out of the river on a piece of shrimp and red wiggler. At least I got the skunk out of the boat, or at least off the dock. Took him a while, but he came around. Now what do I have here? Hey, come here, Mr. Croaker. Little croaker off a piece of shrimp sitting on the bottom of the river. There you go. Little Blackwater River croaker. Listen at him croaking. Something. Chewing on my shrimp again. There he is. Got something on the shrimp again. Probably another little croaker. Ooh, they're not big, but he's fighting pretty good this time all of a sudden. Thinking a shark's got him? I don't think so. Oh, what is it? Hey. Oh, man. Dude. That's a pretty good sized croaker. Oh, right, yeah. Yeah. It's a good size. Listen to him, croaker. He's been hurt pretty bad. It's your lucky day, fella. I'll let you go back and heal some. Won't tell your buddies. Thanks for the fight, guy.